Okay, it's on.
Good morning.
Good morning, YouTube. It is 6:17. We are loaded up. What?
Can I say something?
Yep, go ahead.
Mommy did not have the camera on and I had to say it 2 times, so I had to say it 3 times.
Camera fail. Good morning, sis and Kylan. And Dad is airing up the tires. We're at Quick Trip down the street from our house right now. Headed to Flagstaff just for the day. Our plan was to leave at 5:30 and it is 6:17, so we're definitely behind schedule, but we're gonna go check out some fall colors. The roads are flooding. The cops are like all over the interstate trying to like block off flood areas. It's so scary.
We don't have ditches or runoffs, so it all just sits on the road.
Yeah, in Arizona. I think like some parts of Texas or something. But anyways, it's not like Illinois where there were ditches and the water runs off. So it just like pools on the road and floods. And it is like, it's coming down really hard. There's just a huge accident up there, like multiple car accident. And then we missed our exit. So now we had to turn around and go back the way we came on the interstate to get to the 17 North. So we're gonna go slow. It's gonna take a little bit more time to get there, but hopefully we just stay safe. We got into town and walked around a little bit, and then everybody was hungry already. It's only like 10:30 right now, but that's what happens when you wake up early at 5 a.m. We're hungry early. So we came to our favorite pizza place. We're gonna get some num-nums. Yum! We have the Route 66 pizza here. Lincoln Joseph has pepperoni. Sissy got some fried ribs, and the kids are watching Scooby-Doo on the TV. Okay, I'm ready to eat. Is it yummy?
Oh, duh.
Okay, it's about 1 o'clock.
Pick one.
Get a video of
That
this.
is one. No, you have to pick
I'm getting YouTube.
Yeah.
Oh, poor guy.
Stop it, let's go. Stop it.
Okay, a little backstory on this. Lincoln said he wanted to take a pile of leaves home, so we said we would shove them in his pants.
No. No. I just Eeny, meeny, miny, moe, catch a tiger by his toe. If it hollers, let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe, both. No.
Pick one.
See if I try to see it.
No, it's
What are you doing?
Bro, he's like trying to cheat. Just pick one.
Just pick one.
pick one. Okay.
Okay, let me just look at it.
Stop cheating.
I'm not cheating. This is not.
Pick one.
Come on.
Both.
No.
I picked the right one.
This one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, mom's on this one.
This one.
You pick this one?
Yeah.
Okay, well, I'll show you this one first. Actually, I'll show you the one you pick first, okay?
Oh!
Reveal?
I saw it.
Oh! His face.
That's cheating.
He was so mad.
That's cheating.
All right, we're heading out of this trail. Back on the road. What is this?
I'm about to just walk straight up.
Look at this. Okay, we just came out of the Aspen loop. So pretty. You want to keep going on the trail?
Huh?
Should we keep going on the trail?
Look at, get that on video, not me.
Oh, look at the horses. Hi.
Oh, he's spicy.
Hi. Okay, we just left the trail. It was so pretty. Now we got this long 3-something hour drive home, and it's already 3:30 right now. Uh-oh. Hopefully the kids, I mean, I want to say hopefully they nap, but also hopefully they don't, because then we're gonna get home like almost right at like close to bedtime.
Oh,
What was that?
close to bedtime.
Oh.
Well, I'm not sure close to bedtime.
Oh, no, you guys are right.
Right.
Okay, it is 7 o'clock. We are finally home for the night. I am warming up some soup I made yesterday, getting these dishes done, and we can chill. What a day.